Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming that backups or shadow copies exist. Without them, you can't restore. Once done, connect any external drive or mount the network share that holds backups. Next, open the folder, right-click the target file and open Properties, then the Previous Versions tab on Windows. On Mac OS, launch Time Machine for that folder. These first steps locate stored versions quickly and explain why restoring is possible. Backups or snapshots are what you will pull the file from. Now scan the available snapshots and focus on dates and times that match when the file was correct. Make sure to preview each candidate, open or restore to a temporary folder, so you verify content, metadata, and format integrity before committing. If the system offers Restore To, choose a different folder to avoid overwriting, which lets you compare versions safely. This middle stage prevents mistakes. You're deciding based on content accuracy rather than only timestamps, and that reduces the risk of losing. Finish by moving the chosen version into the production location. Replace or rename the existing file depending on whether you need the old copy. After restoring, open the file to confirm it functions, verify permissions and timestamps, and run a quick validation if it's a database or binary. If the expected version isn't available, the key troubleshooting tip is to check that volume shadow copy or file history services are running and that backup logs show successful saves. If not, consult recovery tools or recent full backups immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.